This is the cups rubric. First, put your name at the top. Then you're going to grade and edit your writing. So it says, my writing has. First, you're going to check for capitals. If you didn't capitalize anything, 0. If you capitalized some of the correct letters, circle 1. If you made sure to capitalize all the sentences that needed it and words, you circle the 2. Next is understanding. Does your writing make sense? Circle 0 if it doesn't make sense. Circle 1 if most of it makes sense. And circle 2 if it all makes sense. Next is P, punctuation. This means periods, question marks, exclamation marks, commas. 0 if you didn't remember any. 1 if you remembered some. And 2 if you remembered to put all of your punctuation marks. Next is spelling. Circle 0 if most everything is spelled incorrectly. Circle 1 if some of your words or most of your words are spelled correctly. Or circle a 2 if all of your words are spelled correctly. Then you're going to total it up. Add each of these, and then put the total on the bottom. Next, on this side, you're going to see, do you have an introduction? If you don't have an introduction, circle 0. If you have some of an introduction, circle 1. If you have your introduction, circle 2. Remember, your introduction is your beginning, where you start off. Your transition words. Circle 0 if you don't have any. Circle 1 if you remembered 1. Circle 2 if you remembered both of your transition words, or more. Details. Did you add details? If you didn't add any details, circle 0. If you added 1 detail, circle 1. If you added 2 details, circle 2. And your conclusion. If you did not have a conclusion, circle 0. If you did part of your conclusion, circle 1. If you did your whole conclusion, which is the ending, circle 2. Then add up all the numbers you circled and put the total at the bottom. This rubric is so you can edit your writing and make sure that you did your best work. Good luck!